Oh gosh, guys, it is raining. It is literally raining. I'm literally getting wet. It's so windy and rainy right now. Look at that water. That is so rainy, dude. I mean, of course, it's not gonna be that much flood though. There's some water there. It is raining. Oh, gosh. I'm getting a little wet right now. Oh, look at the leaves there. They're getting smacked by the water. Oh, whoa, that is strong wind, dude. Oh gosh, I'm literally getting wet from the rain right over there. I mean, it is so windy right now in different directions. I'm literally getting wet. Like I'm literally right over here. I can still, I'm literally still getting wet. Okay, I think I need to go outside because I'm still literally like getting wet. Even like right over there on the side, I'm still getting wet. Well, actually, I can just switch it. Actually, no, I'm still getting wet from there. I can say.